To start marketing on YouTube, first you need to set up the YouTube account for your business. Log into your Google account and go to youtube.com. Click on your account icon in the top right. Choose Create a Channel from drop-down and then Get Started. You can use your own name for a channel or custom name like business name. We want to promote our company, so we will use a custom name. We will name our channel Force of Web. We will also confirm that we are creating a new Google account with its own settings and click on Create. You may be asked to verify your account with a phone number. After a while, you will see a confirmation that your account was successfully created. Now you should fill in the basic information about your business. Start with uploading your profile picture. Square image with resolution of 800 by 800 pixels is recommended. Then use channel description to tell your users more about your channel. We will use the following text. We are Force of Web Marketing Agency. Our company briefs, talks, walks, and beats digital marketing. We aim to inspire others and deliver truly exceptional work. We excel at marketing strategy and consultancy, training, and all flavors of digital marketing. After that, it's a good idea to add links to your website and social media profiles. You can click Save and Continue. You are placed in the Creator dashboard. By clicking on the button, you can add a banner for a channel, which you should definitely do. Recommended size is 2560 by 1440. You can see a preview of how it will look on different devices. You can crop it, but I am happy with the look, so we just click Select. In the Upload section, you have an option to upload new video. When you upload a couple of them, you should organize them in a user-friendly way. You can do that by adding new sections to your channel. You can decide that in the first section, your popular videos will be displayed. In the second section, videos from particular list should be displayed. In the third section, another playlist or a live stream, and so on. All of that should be intuitive and facilitate the use of the channel. Let's upload a video. It's actually really simple. Click on and upload a video. Then drag and drop a video from your desktop or a folder, or click on Select File and choose it from a disk. After that, your video will be processed and you will be asked to enter the title and description of the video. Both should include keywords connected with what's inside the video and important for your business. You can follow the keywords research process presented in the Search Engine Optimization chapter. Then you have an option to choose one of automatically generated thumbnails for your video, or when your channel gains more popularity, you will be able to upload your own thumbnails. You also can add your video to an already existing playlist, or if you don't have one, create a new playlist. We will create a new playlist called Force of Web Company Videos. And we can use one of three visibility types. Public means it will be visible to everyone. Private means that it is visible only to Google accounts you specify, and unlisted means it is visible to anyone who has a link to this video. We will keep the video public. Then in the audience you specify whether the video was made for kids or not, and in our case it's not. We don't want to apply any age restrictions. We can click on More Options. If your video contains paid promotion, you should check this box and follow YouTube guidelines in that regard. We don't check that. Next we have a tags section. According to YouTube, it's especially important if content in your video is commonly misspelled. Sometimes they help your videos to be found by the users. We will add a couple of misspellings. Creative Agency without E at the end, Creative Agency without E in the middle, Design without E, and also a couple of keywords connected with the video: website design, homepage design, marketing agency, creative agency, digital marketing. There is a limit of 500 characters, so we include only the most important tags. You can add subtitles or closed captions if you want to make your video more accessible. We don't have them, so we just skip. Then you can fill the date and place of the video recording. It is more suitable for videos about a certain region, so we will not fill it. Then you decide whether you allow your video to be embedded, meaning placed on the website outside of YouTube by publishers. It can be good because you can get additional reach, but at the same time, you don't have control where it will show up and how it will be used. We will turn that off. We want to publish to our subscriptions feed and notify our subscribers about the video. Then the category of the video. There is no perfect category, so we will use people and blogs. Now decision about the comments. The default is that we want to show them, but we hold potentially inappropriate comments for review, and it is the best option for us. We can show top comments first and newest comment first. We will stick with top. And we also want to show likes and dislikes of the video. Nothing to hide here. We click on Next. Here you can add video elements, used mainly to promote other content on your channel, to keep people on your channel and watch your other videos. You want to do that obviously, but as we don't have other videos, we will skip it. Then similarly to playlist, we can make our video public, private or unlisted. We can even make our video a premiere, but this is best for the new product reveal or live events. We can schedule our video to publish it later, and finally, there are some suggestions from Google before publishing. We will just click on Publish, and after a while, we have an info that our video is published. You can share a link to it via different platforms, and video also appeared on the channel video list. If you select it, you have an option to edit it, add to a new or existing playlist, download it, or delete it. If you hover on it, you can also go to the Analytics tab, where you will see all of the important stats, like views, total reach, watch time, and likes. Of course, you should regularly monitor these statistics and optimize your content based on them. If any content is popular, do more of that. If not, try to change the thumbnail, description, or title. In the comments section, you can see all of the comments and filter them to see only the comments you haven't responded to. You should interact with your audience, answer their questions, and give your opinions. It's great to build a community. Instead of seeing stats for one particular video, you can monitor stats for the whole channel if you go back to the studio dashboard and click on Analytics. The last thing I will show you is how to change featured channel video for new and returning subscribers. It will be the first video they will see when they visit your channel. Click on Customize Channel. You have two tabs. First, choose a featured content for returning subscribers by clicking on Featured Content. Choose the content from the list. Then in the New Visitors tab, choose a video from the list and click Save. This video should be attractive to show people what your channel is about and encourage them to become subscribers. You now know how to create and personalize your YouTube channel, how to organize it and add new videos to it. Remember to be consistent and upload new content regularly. You can use any types of videos presented in the previous video. Keep your audience engaged and don't forget to ask for likes and subscribes to expand your reach. Now let's see how you can advertise your video on YouTube and place your video ads before, during, or after videos published on the platform. To do that, log into Google Ads platform. Click on the New Campaign button. Our goal will be website traffic, and the campaign type will be video. Now there is a familiar screen with settings. We covered most of them in the search engine advertising chapter, so I will focus only on new options you will have regarding video ads. In the Networks tab, you want to specify whether you want to advertise on YouTube only or also on the websites of Google partners. We are interested in YouTube only. In the Content Exclusions tab, you can choose in what type of inventory you are interested in. It depends whether you want to advertise next to the content that may be regarded as sensitive, such as profanity, violence, or some sexual content, we will choose limited inventory, as we want to protect our brand. Then we can further exclude different content types. We will do that for embedded content and live streams. There is an option to add more links within our website that we want to be visited, but we want to redirect people only to one location on our homepage, which is a tab with our services, so we won't add any site links. Then we want to specify people we want to reach, but it was covered also in the search engine advertising chapter, and we also have the content tab. Here we can choose which keywords and topics we are interested in, but the real value is within the placements tab. We can specify on which YouTube channels or even particular videos we want to show our ad. Just search for the name of the channel or video and choose it from the list. It is a great option to connect with high quality and relevant content only, and it can be beneficial for our brand. The last step is to choose your video ad. It has to be uploaded on YouTube. We will just paste the URL of a video from our channel that we uploaded. Then we specify the URL where we want to redirect users after click. It will be our services page. Display URL will be the same as it is short and self-explanatory. For call to action we will use inquire. For headline we will use the name of our company. On computers, users will also see a companion banner for your video, which is displayed next to your video ad. It can be auto-generated from your YouTube video channel, or you can upload your own image. We will stick to auto-generated one. Once you are happy with all of the settings and preview, click on the Create Campaign button. Your campaign is ready, and you can continue to campaign list. Advertising on YouTube can be a great tool in your advertising arsenal, but remember to use it wisely, as it is not the cheapest form of advertising. In the next video, we will take a look at some of the alternatives for YouTube.